Hey, what's up, guys? Today I want to show you a tool, open source tool, to enforce privacy and security, best practices on Windows and Mac OS. Okay, now this is just gonna be for Windows. I don't have a Mac, so this is completely open source. It's free, and best of all, you don't really have to like download anything. It's like it's all using scripts. Now this is the GitHub page for it. And the last time it was updated was yesterday with version 0.12.0. So this is what it says: enforce privacy and security. Like I said, now you can use this online or you can do it offline. Offline, it will need to download the tool, but online, okay, as you can see right here, online version does not require to run any software on your computer. Offline version has more functions, such as running the scripts directly. Okay, so over here it kind of gives you like a kind of a warning. You should apply your configuration from time to time, more than once. It would strengthen your privacy and security control because the privacy tool and its scripts get better and stronger in every new version. Okay, so here are the features. Some of the features, of course, rich, hundreds of scripts that aims to give you control of your data. Free, both free as in beer and free as in speech. Transparent, have full visibility into what the tweaks do as you enable them. It's reversible, so if you need to revert something, you can do that. It's accessible, so no need to run any compiled software on your computer with web version. It's open, which means what you see as code in this repository is what you get. Application itself, its infrastructure and deployments are open source and automated thanks to Bump Everywhere. Tested, a lot of tests, automated and manual. Community testing and verification. Stability improvements comes before new features. It's extensible, which means you can effortlessly extend scripts using custom designed contemplating language. It's portable and simple. Okay, so every script is independently executable without cross dependencies. So let's check it out. There's the web version, of course. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so over here you can select already, like pre-select these kind of options right here. So none, so deselect all scripts. Good start to dive deeper into tweaks and select only what you want. And there's a standard, which is balanced for privacy and functionality. Operating system and applications will function normally. So the standard is recommended for everyone. Okay, so this is the standard. It's recommended for everyone. Now you can view it in tree or cards. This is the tree. Or you can do cards right here. Okay. And this is the script on the right. And then there's strict, the option, stronger privacy, disables risky functions that may leak your data, recommended for daily users that prefers more privacy over non-essential functions. And then there's all, strongest privacy, disabling any functionality that may leak your data. You also have it's not designed for daily users. It will break important functionalities. Only recommended for extreme use cases like crime labs where no leak is acceptable. Sorry. So if I were you, I would just do standard. Of course, you can also have your own custom. So for example, privacy cleanup, you want to clear application history, clear browser history, empty trash bin. You get the idea, right? UI over privacy. Okay, so remove bloatware. All right. Remove OneDrive, remove widgets, uninstall Edge, uninstall capabilities, and features on demand. You guys get the idea, right? So I recommend everybody just do standard. And yeah, if you want to use Windows, you can win your privacy back. You can control what you decide to give and what you decide to keep private for yourself, right? So guys, this is called privacy.sexy, all right? And once again, this is the GitHub page for it. I hope you guys found this video interesting. I hope you learned something. Take care, everyone. Peace.